Good PM. Ngayon po ay Saturday, September 28, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong Saturday, September 28, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto, 2 PM. 3D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong September 28, 2024 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto, 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Saturday, September 28, 2024. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 is 12 million pesos and Grand Lotto 655 estimated jackpot price is 30.5 million pesos for September 28, 2024 Saturday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Saturday, September 28, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.